Welcome to UgCS Command and Control, the solution to effectively add drones to your security system. To integrate aerial video surveillance with Luxriot, you will require drone and UgCS for DJI, UgCS Desktop, and UgCS Video Player Video Management System. Download and launch UgCS Command Center and agree to modify the core files. Check and accept installation settings. Launch UgCS Service Manager to check if everything's running. Run UgCS and start the mission. Go to UgCS for DJI settings menu. For livestream provider, select UgCS Video Server. For video server settings, checkmark both SSDP and custom server address. Target host requires the IP of your UgCS video server. Exit the Settings tab and select Streaming. Run UgCS Video Player. Select Drone from drop-down menu. Cast it to full screen. Copy RTSP link to Notepad for further ease of use. Run Luxriot. Select New Device, Details, and enter the name of your drone. Select Model, RTSP compatible. Select Network tab. Copy IP and port number from Notepad. Select Channels tab and click OK. Go to Channels and click Edit. Channel Configuration, open Channel Properties, RTSP tab, and check the Use Default Port box. Copy and paste the port number from the Notepad. Uncheck RTP over TCP. Copy and paste the name of the transcoded stream. Click Apply, OK, and OK. Click Show Video. Integrate live streams from drones into your regular video monitoring tasks with UgCS.